So we're getting into the warmer part of the year, the late spring and the summer months, and it seems in a lot of people there's a perception that things slow down in the summertime, and really we find that some of our biggest cases happen and get litigated during the summertime, and we're in court and it's a very active time of year. Every case is big. The difference between some cases and other cases are that the actual penal sanctions are much more severe, like a 15-year felony with sentencing guidelines that will take the range of outcomes if you are convicted of the charge. It takes you into a much higher potential prison sanction. The number one thing that we find is we put ourselves and our clients in the best position when we just dig down for every single detail, spend hours doing things that might seem silly or not going to bear fruit in any way, shape, or form and have no direct benefit. But it's when we do that that we start to, it's like a miner mining out little nuggets of gold. You start to find those things. And when you have more bodies on a case, in fact, we even have cases where we'll work with other law firms who we suggest to clients because of whatever reason, whether a certain lawyer has a specialty in a case or area, or it's just a good idea for logistics purposes. And there's no shame in working with other lawyers and working together as a team when some lawyers might have strengths in areas and other lawyers have strengths in other areas. But the bottom line for you, if you find yourself or your loved one, remind this of your son and daughter, if you get in a situation where a police officer is interviewing you or interrogating you, even if you don't think you're a suspect or did anything wrong, call a lawyer before you make any statements. Because when you make statements thinking you can talk your way out of something, we find that that's when our clients put themselves in the most difficult position in a case.